Good morning. Rise and shine. It's butt kicking time. So, here's the deal. I need to get my life together. Everything in my house is a mess because I'm moving. And we all together are gonna clean and do some fun things together today. I need to caffeinate. Everybody knows I'm moving. That is not a secret. But my house
is a literal disaster.
I have 50 billion boxes in containers. I built a desk last night. There is shrapnel everywhere from that. It got out of hand, but I was too tired to clean up after I built the desk because building the desk is hard enough. So I just showered and went to bed, which is why my hair looks so, whatever this is. I don't really have like a wave pattern. It's just like confused. I got a new vlogging camera, by the way. We're gonna see how, oh, hello. Does this happen to anybody else? I have these hairs right here that just stick straight out. Like, what is going on? What was I even saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and then we're going to start tackling the living room. We're just gonna get shit done today.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
That is our main goal. So hang out with me today and we'll see what we can do. Amazon haul break. You can't even see me. I got the Color Wow on Black Friday. Amazon had this super cheap. So this is supposed to be really good for dry frizzy hair. And I'm keeping all of my Prime bags as like little packing bags. I just need to wipe it down first because it's kind of gross from being outside. But we've already made a small dent in the living room. You can see B. But I'm just gonna keep going and we'll open the other box and then vacuum. And all this stuff right here on my couch is donations and stuff, and then we're selling the couch today. So a lot is going on, but I'm gonna put you guys back and we will continue our adventure. I also got these from Target. It was only $5 for like these little stackable bins. I got those for the new apartment for Nick's stuff, like under his sink. Ooh, and also I got a ton of these baskets from Target. This is the same one, it's just in a bag. A ton of these baskets for closet organization because I want to be one organized beach. I'm not playing around at all. Got another box to open. Oh yeah, I got these containers for produce. All you do is like you wash your produce, and then I got these little containers. I think there's 2 of them. Oh, there's 3. You wash your produce and then you put it in these little containers, and I think it keeps them fresher longer. I was trying to look for glass ones, but I couldn't find it. So, oh, Nick says I will be home in about 15 minutes. I got to get the stuff off the couch and clear a path for the guy bringing the couch. Oh, buying the couch. Okay. We need to continue because we are on a mission. All right, I'm bringing that out to the trash and that out to the trash, and then I need to vacuum really bad. So I will be right back. So basically what happened was the mess moved from over here to now here. So what did I really accomplish? I don't know, but I just took out like 3 loads of trash. It was so much. I can continue on my mission of cleaning. So the reason why I never vlogged in here is because the lighting actually is trash. I have my blinds like completely open and all of our lighting is super yellow. But in the new apartment, it will be better. So hang in there for that. out there? Can you see me? Okay, so I'm about to go get groceries at Publix because we need groceries for the week, so I'll do a grocery haul. But Nick didn't want to go with me, so you know what we're gonna do, ladies?
Make his pockets hurt.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. He has a lot to work to do, and he's selling the couch right now. The guy just pulled in to get it. So that is on the agenda for today. I really need to figure out a car vlogging setup. That will be on the list. We have so much to do. We're not doing that today. And I just found out I'm majorly PMSing, so that's why I'm feeling like really bitchy today. Like, it is coming on strong. But all right, let's do some food shopping. Publix. Holy moly. I just had to bring in all those groceries myself. That was a wild ride. It is hot out. Florida is on fire right now. So I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna do a little grocery haul. And not a little grocery haul, it's kind of a big grocery haul. Well, we'll start with this first bag. Got some blueberries, delicious snack. I got this ground chicken breast. I get the one that's like really lean. Mozzarella cheese and mozzarella pearls. I think I'm gonna make like a ziti. I got an heirloom tomato to add in some produce. I got some Granny Smith apples. I'm trying out this way of eating where you eat at least 800 grams of fruits and veggies a day, just because that's been shown to be like a good amount for the body, and I struggle with getting in enough fruits and veggies, but I got onions, so I'm trying that out. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I got baby spinach. I'm trying out this veggie mac and cheese. This isn't part of like my produce, I just wanted it. I'm PMSing, so I kind of got things that just sounded good while still being healthy. I got these Parmesan, garlic, roasted potatoes, and green beans. They're so good. I got Nick some pepperoni and cheese, like whatever these are called, for like a snack. And then I got chicken breast. I got 2 of these Alyssa's healthy Choco Bites. They're so good. They're like really healthy cookies. They're amazing for you. So much fiber, so many omega-3s. I got ricotta cheese. I think I'm gonna make like a healthy ziti. And then Parmesan cheese. I got Nick some goldfish for a little snack because they were BOGO. I got me these crunchy almond flour cookies from Simple Mills. These are so good. I got 2 vitamin water, 0 sugar strawberry lemonades for some flavor. And I got Nick and I these organic Reese's to try. I know they're still Reese's. Whatever, I just was craving them. I got whole grain ziti, well, rotini, and there's 7 grams of fiber and 2 ounces. I was like, what? So we're gonna make a ziti with that. We got a Parmesan blend, green beans in little cups. I got some pear slices. I was just craving it, I don't know why. And then the So Good probiotic shot. It's awesome. I do recommend that. I got the Just 5 classic French onion flavoring packet things. And then this was my treat for the haul. Elegance cake. I think it's a raspberry elegance cake from Publix, obviously. I was just craving it. And then I got 3, they came out with 3 new flavors of the super coffees. I got French vanilla, coconut mocha, and sweet cream. Excited to try those. I got some organic tomatoes for my ziti, and then the Rouse homemade tomato sauce. I got some low-fat cottage cheese for snacks because it has lots of protein. Pineapple, strawberries. Strawberries have been looking a little bit, you know, gross lately. I don't know why. Buffalo ranch rice crisps for Nick. Also a BOGO. I got some organic whole wheat tortillas. I might make enchiladas. Sounded good. Olives for enchiladas. More snacks for Nick. These bars were BOGO. It's like these protein Nature Valley bars and these other ones. More green beans. I got these organic apple cinnamon fruit pouch, whatever. I think they're for kids, but I just needed something when I need a snack fast. I got a big old cucumber. Got Nick some hot sauce. I got my favorite breakfast ever, which are these omelets from Eggland's Best. It's just an easier way for me to get protein in. Another thing of mozzarella. Some yellow potatoes. This is my favorite yogurt, by the way. It's keto friendly, but whatever. You really only need that if you are epileptic and have seizures. But this is the Ratio keto friendly yogurt. It has 15 grams of protein, which is why I get it. And there's like not any added sugars. I got this caramelized onion Monterey Jack cheese. I thought this was $4 and it was $8, and I didn't realize until after I bought it, and I was like, oh my god, I just spent $8 on cheese. And I didn't even get turkey or bread. I totally forgot. But that is my haul. That is everything I got. I probably need to do a small Whole Foods order for like my coffee creamer and just like various, like probably like a $30 order, so not too bad. I think this was like $200, and this is for both Nick and I for a week, and some things last for more than the week, and they'll be for next week, and some things we run out really fast, like the produce, so we'll have to shop again in like literally a few days. So it is what it is. But I am gonna put this away, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm having my lunch right now. So I made a yogurt bowl. It's one of those Ratio yogurts with a banana, a tablespoon of flax seeds for omega-3s, and some freeze-dried raspberries just for some tartness. And then I had one of those omelets I was talking about, and then I got into those Reese's. I'm just eating one. I'm not eating the egg with the Reese's. It's just, I put it on the same plate. Let me put it in the yogurt bowl. That'll make me feel better. There we go. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch slash breakfast because it is, what time is it? It's 12:10. And I have not had any food yet today. I've just had coffee. I've been like go, go, go. So the guy came and took the couch, which is great. One less thing I have to worry about. But I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry.